be going to a party today.
Yeah, costume party.
Yeah, and I'm gonna be dressed as, you'll see, but I won't.
And I'll be dressed as you'll see.
I think this is the first time I'm going to a costume party.
It's actually a costume party
For the kids, but they said they want the parents to dress up too.
Right, so we'll be dressing up and you'll see.
Yeah. Alright.
Ladasha, Lord Jesus.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bas, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Ladasha, Lord Jesus. Lord have mercy. Look here. Where your mother? Where your mother? No, you one shouldn't come out here because you don't really have much sense. We can't.
Shouldn't move video, your reaction.
No. Natasha, wait. I know, right? The building. Oh my God. No, sorry.
Balling.
I'm never ready for this. What are you doing?
I'm coming back.
Go ahead. No, stop.
It's a costume, only costume is
Listen, I'm come without her.
We're fairies.
Yeah. Somebody lend me.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.
Ow, ow, ow.
Happy birthday to you.
The difference between Mandeville and the Kingston and everywhere else actually in Jamaica, for the most part, yeah, we couldn't see any clouds. And look at that. A Jankro. No man, waiting to pounce. Anyway, Kingston is rainy as well. And now we're stuck in traffic. But the show must go on and the girls are waiting to watch. Are we gonna watch, girls?
Charles band together.
Are we gonna watch Bella? Bella not feeling so 100. She's car sick. She's alright.
In our lives, the 12 maidens dancing turned up last night and beat the living daylights out of the 8 maids of Milton.
Come, let me see your face.
Carrying on with the 11 lords of Lincoln. Meanwhile, the swans got out of the living room where they've been hiding since the big battle and savaged hell out of the Lord.
Go Bella. Go Bella. Go Bella. Go Bella. Go, go. Hey, 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 hey. Go Bria. Go Bria. Go, go. Go Bella, go Bria, go. That's my girl, that's my girl, that's my girl.
Sometimes I wonder if some of the places we go is for the kids. For us, for you.
You have it too, Daddy. Right? Like him have one
You see me?
cup.
No. 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 Hey.
So I'm videoing him right back
We're not gonna use that video.
with the beer sweet in there. Look there.
Who enjoyed the show more? You or the girls?
I enjoyed it. I was singing because I knew all the songs.
As your face. See you a singer going.
Yes.
Good day, girls.
We sound more than mom.
Good day.
Yes, Dad.
Good day, Bella. Bella can't even talk. Alright, as we said in the last Vlogmas, we're gonna be looking at the ABC game. This time we're gonna be thinking all things Christmas. So whatever letter it is, it has to line up with Christmas. Right, so if it don't, then you get if it is, you get ding ding ding. And let's see who wins. She won the last one because I think it was unfair because she started it.
No, but if you started it, would have been unfair to me. So it's not
That's not
unfair.
unfair
I'm
to
just
me,
bright.
saying
I'm just brilliant.
Alright, you're bright, yes. Feisty. Let's go. A, B, C. A, America. You can't think about Christmas without thinking about America.
Yes, I can.
We want to go to America. We want to see snow.
Man, America snow.
But that's what we grew up in Jamaica thinking.
Oh.
And we used to think that America is in the sky.
That's
you
true.
You used to think so too?
B, bells.
Okay. You.
Like the Christmas bells?
Okay. Election is coming in Jamaica. Sorry, guys.
Not thinking about that.
C.
Really? Wow.
No, I can't think about Christmas with Christmas. So I have to
It's
think
not
of something
Christmas
else.
I was thinking of.
Claus. Claus.
No,
Santa
babe.
Claus.
No.
The last name
That's
come.
a full word.
It
No.
don't matter.
No.
Come on. If it is-
Cookies, candy.
Oh, candy cane. True.
So,
Bella carry a candy cane home for me. Bella, no prayer. Bella. Too thoughtful.
E. What were they? D. Dough.
What?
Dough.
What do after Christmas?
I use dough. The
Every
cookie
day.
dough.
You use
No.
dough cook all the time, babe.
Dough, cookie dough. You say Santa Claus, so the cookie dough.
Egg. It makes with the dough.
or eggnog.
Oh yeah, eggnog is Christmas?
Yeah. I need to, no, I can't. I'm allergic to egg. F, fish.
That is Easter. That's not Easter. No. Good. Going away. You go away
It's not
from.
a thing.
Yeah, everybody goes away from.
Babe, it's not a thing. It's not a thing. Going away is a thing.
It's a thing you do.
H, hat.
Later.
Oh, hat. Like Christmas hats.
Igloo. I see the igloo in Christmas. You know, cold igloo.
Guys, Brian knows already.
Go on.
J, Jesus.
The reason for the season. Claus. Santa Claus. Nick. His real name is Nick Claus.
That starts with what?
K-L-A-U-S-E. But we just say C sometimes.
Not Augusto.
Yes.
Not Augusto.
I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it. See, Bria said thumbs up. Right.
L. Loved ones. Next.
Merry. A time of merriment. A time of
Babe,
merriment.
thing. You said thing. The
Mitten,
game is
mitten.
thing.
When you're cold, you put on your mitten.
But it's not Christmas alone, you're cold.
No. It's Christmas. You really wear your mittens.
This game is not working out.
For the nails.
That is true. I told my nail tech today that I come into work. Because all them are too young. Anyway.
Just say, go.
Really? Noel.
Ornaments. You know, we're going to start over the game.
No, we're not starting
No,
over.
yeah. We're going to start over the game because we're supposed to be putting it in a sentence so that it makes sense.
No, babe. We
Alright, well,
almost
let's pick it up
finished.
here now. Let's pick it up here.
Pepper lights are all around Jamaica.
Question for Christmas.
No, babe.
Questions I'd ask Santa Claus. Sound like a goat tail.
Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose.
Alright, his nose was so shiny
You're
that
supposed
it looked like it glows. Shiny.
No, babe. No. The game changed. Nope.
That's how the game's supposed to be played. So that's how we're going to pick up.
No, we can't pick up. We started back from P and we're going to continue to name things. Because Brian know I'm going to find and so and to.
Shiny.
No. Shiny is not a thing. Starting over from P. Pepperlight. Q.
Queen Mary.
Rudolph.
Snowman.
That is right.
That's right.
Tree. The Christmas tree, yeah.
And under the tree.
Babe, a thing.
I'm
No,
gonna say,
under the
what
tree
is
is not
under
a
the
thing.
tree?
Just name the
Umbrellas.
thing.
The umbrella cane. The candy cane are umbrella. Yes.
The candy canes are not
They are
umbrellas.
umbrella sticks, yes, with the hooks.
They're canes.
They are umbrella canes.
No, babe, they're not umbrella canes.
Alright.
They are canes.
I used to turn mine upside down and pretend it's an umbrella.
Okay, that's you.
Alright. Yes, man.
Violin.
Violin play all
Yes,
on the year.
no, but
Violin
in
has nothing to do with
Christmas,
Christmas. The violin
yes,
has
in the
nothing to do with
orchestra,
Christmas.
the
Violin has
violin.
nothing to do with Christmas.
W. Sibria say yes.
Violin has
W.
nothing to do with Christmas. W, well,
Yes,
wings. The elves have wings. And they
Which
usually
elves?
fly around. When I used to watch
The elves,
Christmas
you're too
shows,
light.
when
Babe,
elf, I'm gonna put one on the
Damn,
screen.
no
I'm gonna put one
wings.
on
You're
the
too
screen.
wicked. Yeah, mix it
Look
up
on
with
it
the
right
firefly
there.
them.
No.
What's Tinkerbell,
Elves have
babe?
wings
Tinkerbell.
in-
Babe,
elves have
Tinkerbell
wings
is-
in when I was growing up. Your turn.
X.
Excuse me.
When people say Xmas for short. X.
Excuse me. But it means
Why?
Christmas. No.
Xmas for
yodeling,
short.
yodeling, yodel. People yodel and go outside people's house and then yodel and sing the Christmas carols.
People don't yodel at Christmas.
People yodel at
I've
Christmas.
never
See,
heard
Brian
that.
says thumbs up.
Z.
Yes, man.
Zion.
What about Zion?
Zion is calling you to a higher place of praise. I still win anyway, take it.
Nope. Guys, thank
I
you.
still
Thank you for
won.
watching
Brian
this
tried to change the game
game.
halfway through and I never
It
seen nothing.
is fun-filled. weekends.
Yeah, guys, let me show you
for
something.
Christmas.
I'm gonna use it during Christmas.
Why not take it out and show it? No, take
It's
it out.
a kitchen veggie slicer. I need to read the instructions to know. That's why I haven't used it yet. And Bria says she wants to use it. So it's a veggie slicer. So it comes with different things. So veg your slice your veg. Comes with different tops, and this one look dangerous.
Ooh.
So you do it and go so. So I need to know which veg is for which.
It's nothing to do with Christmas, by the way.
No, I'm just showing you something about. And then this is one of the slicers, and then another one, and then this is the egg yolk separator. Brian may have to use this because I can't. These just look like different parts of the grater, but it's attached to, like you attach it to here, and then you have the container. I don't know what this is for. I don't know what this is for it. But yeah.
It's like when you use a barber, when you go barber.
Yeah, but it makes it easier in terms of how you collect the stuff after you whatever. So you have the container, you have the thing that you can put here, so the different parts, and you just chugga.
Alright, we're gonna put it on our storefront. We're gonna put it on our storefront, and you can go and check it out.
I don't have a storefront for this. It's Temu or Temu, my bike from. I don't want you to check them out.
Okay.
But yeah. Alright.
Alright, catch us in the next part of the vlog. We out.
Later.
Wanna like my hairstyle?
Or lack thereof.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bas, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.